These states have implemented stay-at-home orders. What that means for you. As the U.S. grapples with the rapid spread of the novel coronavirus that has the healthcare system at a tipping point, a growing number of states are ordering their residents to stay at home. Despite the White House advising all Americans to practice social distancing, the number of coronavirus cases in the U.S. continues to rise. So governors across the nation are taking stronger action by issuing statewide stay-at-home orders. These are the states that have implemented stay-at-home orders. CNN will update the list as more come in. California. Last Thursday, Governor Gavin Newsom was the first governor in the U.S. to set mandatory stay-at-home restrictions to help combat the coronavirus. Since the order went into effect, all non-essential services such as dine-in restaurants, bars, gyms and convention centers have been shut down. Essential services, such as groceries, pharmacies, gas stations, food banks, convenience stores and delivery restaurants, have remained open. So have banks, local government offices that provide services and law enforcement agencies. While the order is not being enforced by police, Newsom urged all Californians to stay at home. Residents who need to leave home to take part in essential activities are advised to practice social distancing. Connecticut Stay Safe, stay-at-home policy goes into effect Monday at 8 p.m. Under Governor Ned Lamont's executive order, all non-essential businesses and not-for-profit entities should close. The order excludes any essential business or entity providing essential services such as healthcare, food service, law enforcement and similar critical services, according to a news release. Non-essential public gatherings of any size should be cancelled, and if residents must leave their home, the governor is advising that they not travel in groups and keep at least 6 feet away from each other when possible. Delaware Governor John Carney has issued a statewide stay-at-home order that goes into effect at 8 a.m. Tuesday and will remain in effect until May 15 or until the public health threat is eliminated. The order advises residents to stay at home whenever possible and close all non-essential businesses, according to a news release. Delaware residents may leave their home for essential activities, such as getting groceries, seeing a doctor, and engaging in other activities essential to their health and the health and well-being of their family members, including pets, Carney said. Delawareans may also engage in outdoor activity, but must adhere to social distancing guidelines, Carney said. Illinois Governor J.B. Pritzker announced Friday he was issuing a stay-at-home order for the entire state. The order went into effect Saturday evening and lasts through April 7. Residents are able to go to grocery stores, pharmacies, medical offices, hospitals and gas stations. They can still go running or hiking and walk their dogs, according to the governor. Pritzker has since called on the White House to issue a nationwide stay-at-home order. Louisiana. After announcing that Louisiana has the fastest growth rate of coronavirus cases in the world, Governor John Bel Edwards issued a stay-at-home order to help slow the coronavirus from spreading. The order takes effect Monday and ends on April 12, he said. While state buildings and other essential businesses such as grocery stores, pharmacies and doctors' offices will remain open, non-essential businesses must close by 5 p.m. Monday night. Restaurants will remain open for drive-through, delivery and takeout options only. Massachusetts. On Monday, Governor Charlie Baker issued an emergency order requiring all businesses and organizations that do not provide essential services to close their physical workplaces, but these businesses are encouraged to continue their operations remotely. The order, effective Tuesday at noon until April 7, limits gatherings to 10 people in confined spaces, but does not prohibit gatherings of more than 10 people in an outdoor space, like a park or athletic field, according to a news release. Michigan Governor Gretchen Whitmer has ordered Michigan residents to stay at home unless they are critical workers. The order goes into effect at 12:01 a.m. Tuesday and will last for at least the next 3 weeks, according to a news release from her office. Whitmer is banning gatherings, public and private, of any number of people. This does not apply to single households where people may already live together. This is an unprecedented crisis that requires all of us working together to protect our families and our communities, Whitmer said in the news release. If we all come together, get serious, and do our part by staying home, we can stay safe and save lives. New Jersey. In New Jersey, a stay-at-home order has been in effect since Saturday. The order prohibits all gatherings, such as celebrations, according to Governor Phil Murphy. The executive order requires all retail businesses to close with the exception of essential businesses, including pharmacies and medical marijuana dispensaries, grocery stores, gas stations, pet stores, laundromats, banks, liquor stores and mail and delivery stores. New York on Friday. New York Governor Andrew Cuomo ordered all workers in non-essential businesses to stay at home. Under the executive order, which took effect Sunday evening, civil fines and mandatory closures will be issued to businesses that don't comply, Cuomo said. Civil fines, however, will not be issued for individuals who violate the policy, the governor said. Non-essential gatherings are restricted, and individuals are being asked to limit outdoor recreational activities to non-contact activities. For essential workers who have to go out in public, Cuomo encouraged social distancing. Grocery stores, food delivery service and public transportation are still operational. Ohio on Sunday. Ohio Governor Mike DeWine announced that he was issuing a statewide stay-at-home order. The order goes into effect Monday at 11:59 p.m. and will remain in place until at least April 6, DeWine said. Essential businesses and restaurants for takeout will be allowed to stay open. The governor encouraged Ohioans to maintain a distance of at least 6 feet from others if they need to go outside. CNN's Melanie Schumann and Sarah Jorgensen contributed to this report. Click subscribe to receive the latest news.